In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 new figurine sets from the brand American Diorama. These are all metal die-cast figurines. You get 6 figurines per set, and they all have a theme. Retail price for these are about $12.69, and again, full metal die-cast construction, they're not resin. And I purchased these from RC Mart, where you can actually pre-order them for a little bit less than that $12.69 price point. But even at full retail, it's very impressive pricing, so $2 a figurine, which is a lot cheaper than the resin models even on AliExpress or other brands. You can see each of these has a different theme. Some of these are themes they've actually done, so Car Meet 5 is the latest generation, but they have first to 4. Mechanic 5 is again the 5th generation, and Influencers is a new one. They all come very well packaged. They're supposed to be limited edition. They actually do sell out pretty quickly. We'll take these out and get a better look. You can see with each of them, nice plastic container, and you get these little white stickers, which are really nice to actually hold the figures up. Most of these actually hold up really well, but some of them are a little bit more sensitive. Now let's take a closer look at the mechanic set. You can see really impressive detailing. They're all wearing this dark blue outfit in different poses. This guy looks a little bit more stumped. There isn't actual facial coloring, but you can see it is nicely detailed. You can see the eyes, the nose, the face. And with this one, it stands pretty well as well, because you have the white stance. We also have the tool chest, and you can see really nice design. It's all metal, not plastic. And you can see the detailing on here is really nice. You have the chrome tools on top, so different wrenches. This appears to be a vise. And you even have an open drawer with additional wrenches on the inside. You also have another standing figure, and he looks like he's holding a wrench. Really nice detailing. You can see the hair, the hand position, and all the drag lines in the clothing. Even on the back, you can see you have the back shirt and nice detailing down to the shoes. Then we have 3 figures that are leaned down. So this guy looks like he's almost holding a chrome gun, but it's probably just more of an air tool. And you can see he's looking downward, similar to the other poses, same outfit. But again, the clothing looks very realistic. And this one's very stable because of the foot down position. We also have the other guy who appears to be lifting something very low. You have the tan hair, same blue outfit, and you can see looks really good from all angles. And then the final guy you can see really posed down with a wrench in his hand and studying something up close. Here we have a closer look at the influencer set. We have the female doing the peace sign, nice long hair, see well-defined shoes, and then the baggy jacket. We also have the serious guy with the arms folded, little red dot, which I think should be a watch. And then again, nice definition on the shirt and then drag lines on the pants. Then you got a cool guy here with his button-up shirt, the white sneakers, and again, nicely defined. Then you have the tall bearded man, and I'm pretty sure this is some kind of RC controller. You can see his hand on it, and it seems like it's the knob. And then in the backpack, you can see pretty cool backpack. So it's either a drone or some kind of device he's using. You can even see the socks and the shoes. So a really cool definition and much taller than the other figurines. Then you got the traveling guy with the suitcase, bright yellow, well defined again. You can actually see the handle, his watch, little details like his beard. Then finally you have the kid here with the Steph Curry jersey and the little Flavor Flav style necklace as well. Here we have a closer look at the Car Meets figurines, and you can see we have a guy here with what looks like a socket wrench in his hand, leaning on the hood. So this would be great, leaned over a hood in an engine bay. We have a female figurine who's not very happy at all to be at this car show. Then we have this combination set, and I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be, but it looks like some kind of toolbox or something, and then he leans down, reaching to grab something out of it. So he's really well balanced because he's actually on the ground. He just leans on this. Nice blue shirt. And you can see great hand positions that actually grip the container. The other Car Meet people are also working, so you can see another wrench, nice chrome paint, holding the ground, and I'm not sure what he'd be doing, maybe the tires, lug nuts or something. Then we have the most confusing figurine here. He's got a wheel in his hand, which is a little bit strange. I don't know if he's getting a spare tire at the Car Meet, but this looks more like a mechanic set than a Car Meet person. There's a little bit of extra paint you can actually see in the edges of the wheel, but otherwise pretty well defined. You can see muscular guy, tank top, and again, really nice paint definition between the jeans and the tank top. There also is another figure here you can see with a green power tool. So he's probably torquing his lug wrenches or doing something. Would have been nice if there was more common things like a polish or something else. But you can see, well defined and very stable. Here you can see some photos of the figurines in a diorama, and they really bring it to life. So Even though some of the figurines don't make sense, like some of the car meet people or the influencer with the luggage, I think overall they're good value for what you get. And being die cast, they're pretty detailed with a nice paint. So I would recommend them.